Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This time it's boho braids on my natural hair with no extensions or fake hair. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It came out really cute, so I hope you guys like it. And as you can see, I'm done with the hairstyle. So yeah, it came out really cute. This time, this is like my second time doing this hairstyle, but yeah, I really like it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a blessed day.